Love the 2018 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, universal garage door opener. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.